show you how you can use a graph to explain a change in something or to describe something. So there's going to be 5 steps, and I'm going to show you how you can lay it out at the end. Alright, so step 1, doesn't work, I need to click my mouse. Alright, is knowing what the graph is showing you, and you can't see that because that's in the way, and that will need to be moved later on as well. So what we're looking at is looking at the sea height variation in millimetres, which is very important as that's there, and over time. So we've got the years along the bottom. Alright, so that's important to know because we're going to make reference to that later on. Alright, the second thing we need to do is pick a low value on the graph. So if we look here, in 1998, we can roughly say that the sea height variation was 5 millimetres. Alright, and that's important, we'll come back to that. Pick a high value, so I think I've got this about 2015, it is at 60 millimetres. Alright, so I've got my low value, 5 millimetres, my high value at 60 millimetres. I need to work out the difference, and I'm going to move this up to here. Moving about, jumping about the screen like mad. So I need to take away, so I need to have the high number take away the low number. So 60 millimetres, take away 5 millimetres, and what I'm left with. And we'll see why that's important next. And then I need to decide what it shows. Well, what this graph shows me is that the sea height variation is increasing. Because in 1998, we know it was 5 millimetres, and in 2015 we know it's 60 millimetres, and the line is clearly going in an upward direction. Alright, and if I was to write my answer, I would write it something like this. So in 1998, we've already seen that, the sea height variation, because that's what my graph's talking about, was 5 millimetres, but in 2015 it was 60 millimetres. That's all information we already know. This is an increase of 55 millimetres, 60 take away 5. This shows that the sea height variation is increasing, as we know that line's been up, due to climate change causing sea levels to rise. And this is the extra wee bit from your other lessons that you'll be able to add in to your sources. Alright, so the reason that's increasing is climate change is causing sea levels to rise. Hope that is of some value to you and you can use that for your assessment.